Good morning, students. In last video, I make you learn about living things and non-living things. In this video, we are going to learn about birds. Yes, colorful birds which fly in the sky. आपने बहुत सारी birds देखी है. Parrot, pigeon, peacock, crow, sparrow. So we will learn about birds. So now let's start with thought of the day. A person who felt appreciate will always do more than is expected. Yes. Now let's start our lesson. Lesson number 6, birds and their bodies. You have 2 legs and 2 arms. What about birds? They also have 2 feet. But what do they have in place of arms? How do these help them? We have hair on our bodies. What do birds have in place of hair? All these things we will learn in this chapter. Birds are the only animals with feathers on their body. Instead of arms, they have wings. Yes. Birds have wings instead of arms. Most of them use their wings to fly. You can see feather on the screen. Now I will show you some different kinds of birds flying in the sky. There are many different kinds of birds. आप सब बच्चों ने सब birds को देखा होगा zoo में. In zoo we can see many colorful birds. You know students, they have strong muscles attached to their wings. Yes, birds have strong muscles attached to their wings. They use these muscles to flap their wings. Birds use these muscles to flap their wings. Flap meaning of flap to move up and down or from side to side. Birds are light because their bones are thin and hollow. Hollow meaning with a hole or empty space inside. With a hole or empty space inside. What is the shape of the bird? What is the shape of the birds? It is like aeroplane, narrow at front and back and broad in the middle. This shape helps the bird to fly. Birds jump into the air. It then flaps its wings to put itself upward and forward in the air. When birds want to turn, they use their tail. Birds spread out its wings to stop. When they want to stop, they spreads out its wing. Yes, they spread out its wings. There are more than 10,000 different kinds of birds in the world. Students, there are very beautiful, colorful, different kinds of birds in this world. The owl can turn its head around 3/4 of a circle. You can only turn your head half a circle. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. You can see on your screen very colorful and different kinds of birds. You can see them in zoo. You can see also in birds farm. When the weather is nice, the birds we can see near us also. These kinds of birds almost they can be seen in villages or in zoo. But students, some birds such as ostrich, emu and kiwi cannot fly. Yes, there are some kinds of birds, ostrich, emu and kiwi cannot fly. You can see on the screen kiwi. This is kiwi and this is emu and again ostrich. These are the birds which cannot fly. So now you are going to learn about feathers. There are different kinds of feathers on the bird's body. Feathers help a bird to fly. Feathers also keep its body warm. Yes, they keep bird's body warm. The surface of feather is oily, so the body of a bird does not wet. It is like wearing a raincoat. In some birds, the feathers are brightly colored as you saw. Now in next video we will learn about flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. Thank you.